You know, when you're cleaning leather inside of a home, it's generally not as soiled as it is inside of a vehicle because you're in such a small contained area. A carpet cleaner just happened to come by and he wanted some leather cleaner and conditioner for his vehicle, and it is very soiled. I'm going to give you a little demo of it right now. Okay, you can notice how dirty and soiled the towel is, and look at the clean line from here. I've cleaned all this and I've cleaned all this, and how soiled it is right here. That's all body oils. Okay, you notice there's a huge difference between where I've cleaned and haven't cleaned, and you can actually see it on the towel. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and flip the towel around again to another clean spot, turn it that way, or you can use a mitt for it. I'm just giving you a quick example, and I'll go ahead and clean this, and we'll even it out and you get to see the whole result. On top of it, remember to keep a clean, dry terry cloth towel in hand, and that way you just follow right back up with that, buff it out, nice and soft and supple. It looks brand new. So you can see how much oil this thing removed very quickly just by doing this little section. On top of it, don't forget this stuff really smells nice, so it leaves it soft, supple, looking brand new and smelling great. Now notice how the whole panel right here looks brand new. You can see the soil on there, and of course make sure you have plenty of terry cloth towels on hand.